Hello everybody, this is Mike Gardner, the General Manager of the Bridgewater Club. I am here with Jim Loopy, soon to be retired Director of Grounds. And we're going to talk about one of the really neat initiatives, which was adding 7 new forward tees. And so this is an initiative that is in line with the PGA of America and the USGA about play it forward. And you know, golf is a hard enough sport as it is, and so if you have an opportunity to play it forward and have the golf course a little shorter, it makes it more enjoyable. And so we were excited to add this into the project. It wasn't part of the original scope, but based on the feedback from both the membership and industry best practices, we felt we had a really unique opportunity to add these forward tees. So Jim, kind of tell us about which holes and maybe what the process was to go ahead and build these tees.
Well, after looking at the entire course with Tim Liddy and through his advice, we decided to do, like Mike said, 7 tees. We did 4 on the front 9, holes number 4, 6, 7, and 9, and then 3 on the back, 10, 12, and 16s. They turned out really nice. We used the old material from the greens. This is the old greens mix that we've got on top. And then we stole some sod from some of the fairway edges that we kind of realigned last fall. So they really turned out nice. I'm not real sure what the final yardage is.
Yeah, so the original yardage from the forward tees, or the green tees, was a little less than 5,200 yards. And through Tim's advisement, a lot of new golf courses are being designed where the forward tees are actually closer to 5,000. Mm-hmm. So we are now a little bit over 4,800 yards from the yellow tees. And keep in mind that, again, 7 holes are designated yellow tees. The other 11 holes will be a shared tee between green and yellow. You'll see a green marker and a yellow marker. But it's really great that we have an opportunity for everybody, because actually all the tees will be rated for men. Of course, the new yellow tees will also be rated for women. So it's open to anybody to use.
Awesome. I mean, I really think they came out great. They've got a nice angle to the hole. We aligned them. Tim did a great job aligning them. And we had to do a little tree trimming on a couple of them. Number 9, we did a little tree trimming to get the angle and the shot that we wanted, but I think they really turned out nice.
I agree. You guys did a great job. In addition to these forward tees, we also expanded a couple of tee boxes on the par 3s. So why don't we go take a look at that,
okay,
and see what 15 looks like. Okay, so now here we are on the 15th tee of par 3. And in addition to doing the 7 forward tees, we also expanded 2 of our par 3 tees. And that's an initiative we actually started years ago. We did hole number 2, we did hole number 11, and so now it was time to focus on 8 and 15. Similar to the forward tees, this also kind of evolved as an add-on project while we were here and closed. And really it was also based on member feedback. And what we learned was that the original forward tee here that mostly the women played was really difficult because of the angle. And so we talked to Tim about how can we fix this problem in addition to having more square feet of area that is playable, which in turn helps improve the conditions. And so Tim helped advise us that let's get this over as far to the right as we can to get an angle that allows those who are playing the forward tee to have a straight shot up to the middle of the green. So the run out is right up here, whereas over on the other side, it was across the bunker. So again, way more playable in addition to having way more square feet. The benefit of having more square feet allows you to do what?
Well, we're able to move our markers around, and the wear and tear on the tee is a lot less. We're able to manage our divots and give players a better teeing area to tee off from. So aesthetically wise, it's a lot better for us. Playability wise, it's a lot better for the golfers.
Yeah, it's great. Well, great job. And same thing, a lot of this was actually either spoils that were already on property that were then reused to building this tee up. Correct. So it was elevated. And Tim, you were really big about that. Every time we were talking about building a tee, it was like, get it up in the air, get it up in the air, because you didn't want to have it flat. Obviously, there's a natural grade here, but still you can see how much higher the front of this is off of the lake, right. Which is really great. And the same thing, a lot of the other forward tees were moved up in the air.
It's a great improvement. You know, these little things that are really important.
Yeah. Well, thank you for all your help on that.